What's up, guys? It's your girl Neesyraychelle, and I am back at you with another video. So based on the montage that you just saw, this video is skincare related, which is why I'm here with you with a fresh face. So today's video will be featuring Good Molecule skincare line. I was sent a PR box from them last week, I believe, so I wanted to give it a week of using the product morning and evening to see how it would react with my skin. If you don't know, I have very sensitive skin. I can't use a lot of different products on my face without breaking out or having some kind of adverse reaction. So I've been using their product since Tuesday of last week, which was September the 7th. So today is September 14th, so it's been exactly 1 week since I've been using the product. I did use it this morning and this evening. I have an event to go to, so I went ahead and cleaned my skin first because I'm probably not putting makeup on. But I want to get this video done for you all, so let's get into it. So if you watched my unboxing, you know the products that they sent me was the bar soap. I got the toner, and I also got the discoloration serum as well. So let's start off with the soap. Y'all, I tried to keep it in its box, but like that did not work. The box eventually like started acting crazy. But this is the bar soap that you get. And it's a pretty decent sized bar of soap. Like I said, I've been using it for a week and it doesn't seem like it's shrunk any. So with that being said, I believe it will last you a long time. It suds up very, very well. What I like to do when I use like a foamy based soap on my face, I like to let it sit for a while before I actually rinse it off. So in the video prior to me talking, you see I let it kind of sit there a minute before I actually wipe it off, and I did use a white towel to cleanse the excess soap off of my face before going on to the next step. What I like about this soap is I can feel it cleaning my skin. So like, I'm an oily girl, my skin is very oily, so when I cleanse my skin, I like to feel that oil disappearing, and I definitely can feel the oil disappearing while using this product. So the soap they sent me was the Clarify and Cleanse bar. This cleansing bar is not formulated with soap or harsh cleansing agents and is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive, which was very good for me because my skin is sensitive. It's vegan, cruelty free, free of soap, sulfates, and parabens, and the pH balance on it is a 5.5 to 6.5, which is great for your skin. It says it detoxifies the skin without stripping it for a comfortable clean. So like I was telling you all, I get this clean feeling after I finish using it. So my skin doesn't really feel dry, like it's pulled everything from it, but I can tell that my skin is clean. So far the soap gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Again, this is my 1 week initial first review of the product. Of course, I will let you all know again in a month how I feel about these things, but so far we're good. The second product they gave me is the niacinamide brightening toner. So this is a brightening toner, and this toner is supposed to make your skin look brighter as well as improve the appearance of enlarged pores. So I don't really have large pores on my face, which I'm grateful for, but I do feel like sometimes like under my eyes and like around my mouth I can seem a bit dark. So I do see those areas improving since I've been using this, and again, it's only been a week, so of course there's not like this drastic like, oh my gosh, like girl, new face, who this? But that's not what's happening. But I do see a difference in my skin. This also can be used in the morning and the night, so I have been using it morning and night. You are supposed to use this on clean skin. So basically when you finish washing your face, tone your skin. But I do see a difference. I will be inserting photos like of my before, like over this span of time, so y'all can see like the difference. It might actually just be the thumbnail. That might just be the thumbnail, is like the difference in my skin from the beginning to the end. But y'all, like, I have extreme improvement, especially on my forehead. Like, these were huge bumps. It's a bump here and here, and like my forehead was horrible, but even those dark spots are lightening up and you can barely tell they were there. So again, 10 out of 10 so far. Again, this is only week 1. I will come back with a 1-month update to show you all the differences between day 1 and day 30. So last but not least, this last product they gave me, this is the discoloration correction serum. Yeah, discoloration correcting serum. And this is supposed to help promote an even skin tone. So like I was saying, I do have those dark, I'm a little dark under my eyes and around my mouth. So I've been using this as well. And I really believe this is part of the reason why I'm like really brightening up in those areas, as well as the dark marks on my forehead are starting to dissipate. Because y'all, when I tell you I've been using this every day, morning and night, trying to get my skin back right, because I'm not used to my skin looking this way, but it's getting better. So this product, I actually like the consistency of the serum. The serum is not it's not real thick, but it's not real watery either, so it almost feels like a moisturizer when you put it on your skin. And though I do still moisturize afterwards, this, like at night, I can kind of put this on and not put anything else on top of it. Now in the morning time, of course, I put on my sunscreen and, you know, all of those other things because I have to go outside and whatnot. But I'll just show y'all like the consistency of this. So I'm gonna do like a drop. And so, like, as you can see, it's like look at that. And it goes so far to just be that one little drop. Like, it spreads so well. And then, like, look at it. It looks like I just put lotion on right there and I didn't. But it definitely, like, has a lot of moisture in it. And that toner, I've had toners actually like sting when I put them on my face, and this one does not do that at all. This toner works perfectly for my skin type. So like I said, these products are perfect for, in my opinion, all skin types. So if you're sensitive, if you're oily, if you're dry, combination, these products actually work very well for all skin types. And again, they are in Ulta, so like if you want to get them now, like Ulta does carry these products, and right now I am standing behind them because they are working well for me. And again, that is for me, for my skin. So your skin may take it differently, but right now I love them for my skin. Now if you don't mind waiting, you can go to their website. It will be listed down below in the description box. They are goodmolecules.com. Follow them on Instagram because they have that as well. I believe they have a Facebook page too, so if I can find it, I'll link that as well. But like I said, guys, I love the product so far. I want to thank them for sending me a box because these are full-size products, y'all. Like, this ain't the baby stuff. This is full-size products that came in this box, and I'm very appreciative of it. Again, I love them all, and I hope you all will try this and enjoy this journey with me. But that is all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one.